Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, depending on what time you are watching this, Mrs. Hensley's Friends. We have a calendar to do because it is Friday! Yay! It's one of Mrs. Hensley's favorite days is Friday! I like Saturday and Sunday too, and Monday and Tuesday and Wednesday and Thursday, but Friday is so cool! Okay, I will calm down, Mrs. Hensley. Okay, calendar time, friends. Okay, let's look here. What month are we in? It says September. Today is September. Yesterday was the 24th. What comes after 24? 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. You're right. What color is 25 going to be? Green, red, green, red, green, red. You are right. You're so smart. 25 it is. So it is September 25th, 2020. Okay, today, if you don't know what today is, that's a problem because it is Fabulous Friday. Fabulous Friday. You know Mrs. Hensley's crazy. So today is Friday. Okay, what comes after Friday? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Saturday. Here we go. Tomorrow will be Saturday. Okay, what comes before Friday? What was yesterday? Let's see. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. What's that word that Mrs. Hensley always says I get to stick my tongue out? Thursday. Yesterday was Thursday. Thursday. So yesterday was Thursday. Today is Friday. Tomorrow will be Saturday. Okay, we are going to go this way. Hopefully there's not a glare. There's a little bit of a glare, but not too bad. Mrs. Hensley has the lights off, so there's not so much of a glare. Okay, we need to add a straw for the number of days we have been in school. Okay, Mrs. Hensley? Okay. So let's count. We have 10 and 10 more. 10, 20. Ooh, 20. And one more. 10, 20, 21. So let's put these back in the tens. Let's put this in the 1. We have 21. Mrs. Hensley did not. Oh, well, that's not black. Mrs. Hensley needs black. Okay, so we have been in school 21 days, but we need to add a tally. Okay, let's count. 5, 10, 15, 20, and one more is 21. Okay, 21. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. And we have 2 10s in here and 1 1. So 2 10s and 1 1. We have been in school 21 days. Good job. Let's count to 21. Here we go. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Good job. Okay, now we have to write our date. Okay, so let's use brown. September is the 9th month, and it is September the 25th, 2020. And the abbreviation for September is SEPT period, finger space 25, 2020. Or we can write the entire September month. September, finger space, 25, 2020. And Avery has 1, 2, 3, 4 more days until it is her birthday. Avery's birthday. Avery's birthday. Avery's birthday. Okay. I know I'm always silly on Friday, aren't I? Yes, I am. Let's see what we're doing today. Today, we are doing Fundation's letter sound chart. We are doing letter naming fluency and letter word sound fluency. We are comparing jars with fruit and also with fish, pretend fish, and talking about less than and more than. We are revealing our farm animal brainstorming from yesterday and learning a new farm animal today. Okay, so you also have your choice board where you need to pick one activity for today. Remember, it can't be the same activity that you had yesterday or the day before. We're picking something new that we have not done. Try to get a tic-tac-toe. Okay, and that's 3 across or 3 diagonal or another diagonal. You should actually, today would be your Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. You should have 5 done already. Well, today would be number 5. So you should have already done 4. You can't pick those same 4 ones to do. So you pick a different one, okay? Okay, so that is what we're doing today. Go and watch and listen along to the song that is on the daily message. Also, it's Friday. Song is on there, so you can sing that today and tell me how you're feeling. I hope you're feeling wonderful because it's Fabulous Friday. I hope you guys have a fabulous Friday, and Mrs. Hensley will see you soon on this fabulous Friday. Bye, Mrs. Hensley's Clubhouse friends.